Under this circumstance, dear students, where you have to pen down the story writing for 10 marks, you are going to attempt it for 10 marks. That means it is not so easy to write for 10 marks. Minimum 2 pages, maximum 4 pages. But time frame will not permit us. 2.5 page is very important. Paragraphs are very important. Okay. Characters are very important. How many characters you are going to do? So creating all this situation, your questionnaire, what they are going to create and how they would be asking. There may be two situations where one type of questionnaire has a situational view. For example, it goes like this. I was coming from my college and I was coming from my college and I got to see many people standing at the end of standing at the entrance of my home. Of my home. I was startled. Then what? Then is your situation starts. An introductory format of the situation will be given. This particular story is there, story writing. There are two factors. Their explanation is going on. The student, you have to make the notes. Introductory situation of the story is given. Okay. Now, there are two ways to present this story. One, as it is, you will start the story. As it is, you will start the story. Then, from here, you will continue it. As it is. You are the main role player here. Without I, the situation may be given with any other person. Like, Sunita was a little upset for yesterday's situation. We tried to convince her. But she not agreeing to our view. She is not agreeing to our SION decision. Now, here in this condition, students, what will happen is one situation is already there. In both these conditions, here the situation is of yesterday. Okay. And here an introductory format of the story. That means here you can understand the starting of the story can be begun with this. But here there was something happened, and due to that, the Sunita, the character given with the name, is upset. Understanding this, what is the best you can do is, and you are at a freedom here, there is no compulsion, because what happens, you know, dear students, under both the condition situation, you can add before this. I was coming from my college. Before this also you can add a situation and you can continue the story. Sunita's case as well. Here also you can add a prior situation. Then you can continue the story. That means you are at a freedom here. Here situations, conditions, number of characters, all you can include. You can include. Because the most important pattern or format of our story writing is, students, it is like this. How the format goes? First, introduction of the story. Then comes middle paras, having what? Having problem explanation. Any problem if you have given at the introduction part, problem has arisen, that introduction, affecting characters of the story. Then what will you do? Any climax or critical analysis, we can say that. Any climax in the story you can add here with this. This actually comes in the middle paragraph itself, after introduction. This is continuation here. After that, solution. Then in the last paragraph, conclusion. What does conclusion has? It concludes the story by giving an end to the middle paragraphs. Now in our usual words I've given you, I'm not giving you any ready-made text. How, when I sit for a story writing, how I think, what I think as an individual. Now ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋವರೆಗೂ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕತೆ ಒಳಗೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಒಳಗ ಇವೆಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಒಂದ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್, ಮಿಡಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ 2-3 ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಮತ್ತ ಅದು ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರ ಫುಲ್ ಏನಂತಾರ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋದಂಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನಲ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಒಳಗ ನೀವು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಮಿಡಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕತೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇವೇ 3 ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಮಿಡಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್, ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್. ಇವೆಲ್ಲದರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನಲ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ with a highlight here. Like suppose this is the questionnaire of yours, then how would you start it? You can think of starting it like this. Today morning I woke up late. Mama was behind me to get up and get ready for the college. The is not required behind school and college actually. College, for college. I was lousy to make my routine up. ನಾನು ready ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. She started scolding me to she started scolding me. Then with lot of hard work, with lot of effort, I got up. She was telling me something. I didn't give attention. Then you can continue your story. Then you can bring out this particular situation into this part of the story. Got it, students? You can do it like this, or directly you can start it. You can include this particular paragraph in the middle of the session as well. There are flexibilities attached to this. You can add this particular situation in the next paragraph as well. That means what you can understand is situational based story allows you to write it. So in your examination, they may ask you to write a situational story, giving an introduction of how you have to begin your introductory part of the story. Second comes your outline based story where freedom is less. In outline based story, dear students, there are outlines given. Outlines goes like this. If you may remember this particular story of an animal. There was no, it cannot be a story. A cow. Outline based story cannot start with a capital letter because there are certain, not cow, it is crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Summer season. Thirsty. Searching water. Here and there. So what happened here? Situational stories can be in the present tense or past tense. Cannot be future always. Any planning is there in the situation, you can put it as tense. While story writing is going on, most of the stories are written in past tense. In outline based story as well, this always will be in past tense. Hope you are making notes, dear students. Make notes of this, because for this I'm not going to indulge into much work, dear students. Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Okay, Amar, let me adjust certain things there. Okay. Thirsty, searched water here and there, saw a pot filled with very less water. Thought of one more chat message. Ma'am, see there are any option in mic. My voice is not audible, Sudanma. Why am I finding it? I have set all done. Prithvi, I'm sorry, I did not take you in. Am I a little slower? ನಾ ಸಾವಕಾಶ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕತ್ತೀನಿ. Yeah, it's audible, na? Thank God. Keep on informing dear students. Amar, is my voice okay for? Amar, I'm waiting for your response. Okay, ma'am. Okay, dear Amar. Fine. Crow summer season thought of a plan, bought pebbles. मोक्षित को अभी आना है क्लास को, मैं लेट तो मुझसे ज्यादा लेट है लड़का. Bought pebbles, dropped into the pot, water level came up, drank, sorry, drank,
दुसरे काम करते रहतात.
drank, somebody is scolding, some parent is scolding their child, son or daughter, I don't know. I heard it, so I muted them all. Water level came up, drank, and flew away. Ly, happily. This is outline based story, dear students. Where starting, continuation, number of people into this. I've taken just an example. This was always a well-known story. Hope you remember it. Thirsty Crow. And in the examination, when outline-based story is given, you have every stuff in front of you. You know from where to start, and it usually starts with how do we solve this particular question, dear students? How do we solve? Once there was a crow. They always have these dialogues. Once there was a crow. In situational, there is completely freedom for you. You can write your own characters. You can give them names. You can give different difficulties to the character. But one difficulty will have to be solved. It cannot be half done work, because conclusion is the main part of the story writing. If you're dropping it in your content, then surely you will achieve 8 marks. They do see if you're including dialogues in between, then they will see inverted comma punctuation very strongly. They'll observe it, they'll read it. And every English literaturist, whoever is working in university, will not be taken excusable, because they are very smart, and whom to be given, whom not to be given, they will think. And all cannot be blunt, like find they are at a flexible to give marks. Please don't trust in that way. Whatever you are presenting in your examination, keep hold of yourself to attempt correctly. ಏನೋ ಬರೆದು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕೇಳಿ ಬೇಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಗುದ್ದಾಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Why? Because our prime minister supports a thought. Examinations are festivals. अब उस त्योहार को कैसे सेलिब्रेट करें, it's all up to us. It doesn't mean that त्योहार मतलब you beg your answers, you request for answers. It's all up to you to think and drop it. I want to see you more confident in appearing examination. Come what may. Please don't drag yourself into a situation where you cannot even extend and use the language. And appealing one, you have to be appealed. You have to show yourself appealing through your language, through your behavior. So I want you to groom yourself very well. Every little practice of whatever your teachers are giving you, catch hold of it, because the work is less now. So I don't want you to just think just like that. ಏನೋ ಒಂದ್ ಬರ್ದು ಹೆಂಗೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸೋದ್ ಬೇಡ. I don't want you to suffer like that. It's a disease, students. ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು ಅಂತ ಹೋಲ್ಬಿಡು, ಇವು ಶಬ್ದಗಳು ದೇ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಯು ಟು ಬಿ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಡ್. ರೋಗ, ಒಂದು ಕೆಟ್ಟ ರೋಗ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಆ ರೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರೋಗ ಅದು, ಯಾವ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗ್ ಕ್ಲೂ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದ, ಒನ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೋ. ಇದು ಒಳಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಸಹ ಟುಡೇ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಈ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನಲ್ ಒಳಗ ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಒಬ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಕ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಅಂದ್ರ ಒಂದ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ ಕೊಡ್ಬಹುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದ್ರಾಗ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಔಟ್ಲೈನ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತತಿ, ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ನಿಮಗ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೆವರ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್. You have to just fill up the blanks. It is completely wrong. You have to understand the situation. You have to pen down bit by bit. Once there was a crow, instead of this, you can start with there. After, because you are at the degree level, they may handle you for KG or primary content of the stories. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಂತಾದ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗದಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ಕಥೆನೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ನೀವ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಂತ ನಂಬಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಕಂತಂದ್ರ ಅಗದಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ನಿಮ್ದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಹಂಗೂನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ಬಟ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಡುಗರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರ, ಸಣ್ಣದಿತ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಾಳೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್, ಸಣ್ಣದಿತ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಸಣ್ಣವ್ರಿದ್ದಾಗ ಬರ್ದಿತ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರಿ. ಹಂಗಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಹಳ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗ್ರಾಂಟೆಡ್ ತಗೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾವು. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತದ, ವಿಂಟರ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವಿಂಟರ್, after wintry nights and days, there came the season behind. We don't write the summer. Then summer, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ what you can write metaphorically ಬರಿಬಹುದು. When summer occupies our earth everywhere, there was hot waves catching us all and the animals. Likewise, there was once a crow living in the woods. Wood ಅಂದ್ರೆ jungle. feeling ಅನ್ನೋಕಿನ words flying over the clouds or fetching its daily bread. This way also you can put this particular story in a more fashionable way. This is all in our capacity, isn't it, dear students? We can do it. So I request you all to think and analyze how a particular story can be written. So what is most important is, when you write a story, this particular introductory format is very important. What you have to understand here is tense of the story. Most will be past tense. Depending on the situation, you can bring out into continuous tense. Most of the stories are written in past tense. Catch hold of it. Especially outline based story, past tense, past perfect. Past tense, any form you can write, especially past perfect and simple past. But while you write situational, there are flexibilities. Once these are all the points, or this is the way the questionnaire are created. I may tell you to write it. I have told you the technique of writing the story. Tomorrow, with your involvement, we can write a story online itself. But what are the things? One way you have to recapitulate, and those are some tips we have to always keep it in our track of understanding. And this goes like this. Fewer characters. That means in your capacity, kindly create few characters so that you adjust them at the end of the story. Especially in a situational case, this happens. In outline, you have all the characters with you. Only the weather condition, the ups and downs in the situation can be added, not the characters, because characters are ready-made in outline-based story. Theming of the characters are very important. Like we say, it is a develop characters for theme. In situational, there has to be some theme, and these themes can be penned down in the middle paragraph. Problem explanation, affecting characters, climax, turning point, solution. Now, for what all these things? For what you can create a story, right? What are important factors to create a story? Like you can create humor in your story, or tragedy, like yesterday I was telling, or grief, completely a grief, dukha barita story, ashtu bariyodittu, or haunted, horror stories, we can say it. Horror story, you can have a horror story in your own. Situational also, ಇದ್ದ ಕಥೆನೇ ಈ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಆಗಿನು ಇದು ನನಗೊಂದು ಕನಸು ಬಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. And dream, you can have a dream in your situation. Grief, horror, what you can add? Humor, values, you can add values in your story, because morality is very important. Now whatever you create, what is most important is sense of the story, but with all these things, students, there may be a chance that you may be asked to title the story. These are also your work. For situational based or outline based, they may ask you for titling the story. ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಟೈಟಲ್ ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು, ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತನೂ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಟೈಟಲ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Don't forget, title has got 1 mark. Story introductory part has got 2 marks. Middle paragraph has got a conclusion got 2 marks. So remaining all marks goes to middle paragraph. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಸ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬರವಣಿಗೆಯ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಲೈನ್, ಇದು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಥೀಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ 3 Idiots ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಲೈನ್ ವಾಸ್ how intelligence or how studies help in our life, how studies can only lead your life. Don't worry about the end result, concentrate on your work, concentrate on your knowledge. Like that, story has to be thought of. Single and short time frame ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ time of the hour ಎಂಬುದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೊತ್ತನೆ ಕತೆ ಶುರುವಾಗಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೊತ್ತನೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮುಟ್ಟನೆ ಕತೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಹಾರರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನ ಟ್ರೆಜಡಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಶುರುವಾಗಿ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಆತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ತಲೆ ಒಳಗಿದ್ರ, ಇವ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಲೆ ಒಳಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕತೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಇದನ್ನ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ ಕತೆನ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ವಿವಿಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇರಲಿ. ಅಂದ್ರ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕಾಲೇಜು ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ, ಬಾ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕತ್ತಿ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಜಾಗ ಬದಲಾಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾವ ಜಾಗದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಓದೋರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. Catchy first line. Always first introduction lasts forever. So first line ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನೋಕಿನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ. ಯಾ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಡಿಯರ್. ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಒಳಗೇನು ಕಥೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯೂಶಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟರಿ ಲೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರ, ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಶಿಯಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. Anjali, I did not get your response. KYU. Catchy first line. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2-3 ಲೈನ್ ಹಿಡಿದು ಒಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಚೂಸ್ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ, ಥೀಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಇರೋದು. ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನು ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನ ಅದ, ನೀವ್ ಯಾವ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಔಟ್ಲೈನ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಚುವೇಶನಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ನಿಮಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಔಟ್ಲೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮಗ್ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅವರ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬದ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಔಟ್ಲೈನ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಒಳಗ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಏನ್ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಈ ಕ್ರೋಗ ಆ ಥರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಹುಡುಕಾಡುವ ಕೆಲಸ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಹುಡುಕಾಡೋ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿನ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮುಗಿಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಥರ್ಸ್ಟಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ 5-6 ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಒನ್ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಇಡ್ರಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್. ಯೂಶಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಥೀಮ್ ಇನ್ ಫೋಕಸ್. ಥೀಮ್ ಲೈನ್ ಏನ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಂಡ್ ವರ್ಗೂ ಜಗಬೇಕು. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ನೀಡೆಡ್. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ರೂಲ್ಸ್. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸೊಸೈಟಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗೋದಿತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 11ನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ನೀಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. 12ನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, 12ನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಟೈಟಲ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ mentioning the title in the story. Then tense of the story, don't forget. Then any opinions if you have to conclude. This comes in the last paragraph. Opinions, last paragraph. This is what story writing is all about. Tomorrow we shall write a story, outline based story in our online class. Be prepared. Tomorrow I do not have your class. Thursday we shall meet, dear students. Take down these points, let it be in your classwork. And today's homework, my dear lousy children who doesn't want to be abiding the rules, for them Thirsty Crow is the story to be written for you by you. Actually, outline based story, Thirsty Crows. Take a pic of it and present me today in our group. Let me see your language skill. Take a chance to explain in a more beautiful way. Is it clear? Any DOUBTs? Is it clear? Is all well? Because I'm not extending this much. Okay, then take a chance of writing this, because once you sit for writing, no, you should have all these points. When you have at least eight points from this, then I guarantee you your 10 marks are in your pockets, are in your examination marks pocket. 100% I guarantee you, because you can score much in writing letters and story writing, and it should finish in 1 hour itself. All your grammar part should finish in 1 hour of your examination. Another 2 hours only for dedicating your novel. Only 3 students have the clarity. Other students do not have the clarity. Huh? Sudhanva, send me the attendance. Bye for the day. Enjoy second hour also. Bye bye.